Yes, now we discuss some more questions from percentages. 25% of 10 meter is, if you want to convert the meter into centimeter, 25%, 25 by 100 into 10 meter. For 1 meter, 100 centimeter. So 10 meter is nothing but 10 into 100. So 0000 cancel. 25 into 10, 250 centimeters. Later, sixth question. 20% of rupees 70 is equal to 20%, 20 by 100 into 70, 0 cancel. 2 into 7, 2 sevens, 14. Let us seventh question, 5 by 8 may be expressed. This is in fraction, we have to convert the fraction into percentages. We should multiply with 100. 5 by 8 into 100. As fourth table, 4 twos, 4 25s. 25 fives, 125 by 2. So here 125 if you divide with 2, 2 6, 12, 5, 2 twos, 4, 5 minus 4, 1 is nothing but 62, 1 by 2. So we can write 62.5%. Half is nothing but 0.5, 62.5 percentage value. Later 0.075 equal how much percent? To convert that decimal or fraction to percentage, here we have to multiply with 100. So 0.075 into 100. The point moves to 2 digits, right? 7.5 percentage. Later 10.01 equal how much percent? This is also in decimal. To convert the decimal into percentage, here we have to multiply with 100. So 10.01 into 100. So 1001%. Later 30% of rupees 40. 30 by 100 into 40. 0 cancel. 3 into 4. So 3 fours 12. This is the answer for that question.